Welcome to my channel Jhatpat Khana, Tasty and Healthy. Well, today I have planning to make jawar roti which I had, and with that other ingredients I am making a jawar paneer tikka or dosa or chila, whatever you call. Okay, so let's try making this and see how it comes out. आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक तरह से चीला डोसा या आप इसको पराठा बोल सकते हैं. एंड हियर आई एम यूजिंग 3 लेफ्ट ओवर जवार रोटी. देन आई हैव पनीर, अ लिटिल बिट वॉट एवर आई हैड लेफ्ट मेड सब्जी. आई हैव अ कप ऑफ काबुली चना बॉइल्ड विथ लिटिल सॉल्ट एंड 1 cup ऑफ 3 tablespoons ऑफ कर्ड. तो अभी हम इसको काट के मिक्सी में डालेंगे, ये छोटे छोटे पीसेस करके, और इसको दही के साथ मिक्स कर देंगे. और उसके बाद इफ़ यू वांट धनिया, एंड देन वी मेक अ नाइस डोसा, चीला और थाली पीठ या पराठा जो भी. तो आइए अब हम बनाएंगे इसको. 1 कप गर्म पानी लिया है और अब मैं इसमें जवार रोटी के पीसेस बनाया है, उस पीस को इसमें डालूँगी मैं. So I'll be putting all the jawar pieces in this. You can see, thoda you have to boil it little, that's all, so that soft हो. So you can बाद में इसको हम मिक्सी में डाल सकते हैं. Now see, it is getting cooked. You don't have to put more water, maybe 2-3, just it has to soak, the rotis have to soak, that's all. I've switched it off and I'll allow it to cool. और ये जो पनीर सब्जी, I'm just mashing it with fork. You can mash it nicely and then mix it with this, so that unless you want a smooth paste, फिर उसको मिक्सी में डालो. नहीं तो you can just use it like this. Mash it nicely and then add it, so it will be little rough, but it's cooked nicely. And then you can also mash the kabuli chana. I have put the kabuli chana with this roti and I will mash it up nicely. And if you want, you can put little water and बाद में दही डाल देना. दही के साथ भी मिक्स कर सकते हैं इसको. You can add little bit of curd in this, and little bit you can add later. And see, I'm just mixing it, and you put it in the mixie, and उसके बाद इसका you get a आटा or what you call as batter for making your dosa और चीला. मैंने 1 कप चना आटा और 1 अड़े मिक्स लिया है, थोड़ा आधा कप. अब उसको I have put it in this and I mixed it, and then I will make small chilas and then sandwich it with paneer. Mixed the dosa mix, then chana atta and the jawar mixture with curd, chola and all that, and then I also put the paneer, mashed paneer in this, and then cooking it at low flame. I've turned it the other way and waited for it to become little brown. So I have taken equal quantity of, the chana dal, then I have got ade dosa mix, instant mix, which you get in the shop. So if you want it very spicy, put 2 cups of that. If you don't want it spicy, then 1 cup of chana dal, which I showed you, chana atta, and 1 cup of ade dosa mix, instant. Mix it with the chola, and then I have put the 3 jawar roti and with little curd. And I mixed it in the mixie. Now all this, I'm going to put this paneer mixture. So it depends how much you want. So I'm going to put half, because the remaining I will do it later. And of course, once we mix, we will make it in the tawa, and then you can have it with curd, sauce, chutney, whatever. ये बहुत टेस्टी होता है, मैंने खा के देखा है, और I want that you also make it at home and taste it. So this is the consistency, little thick, but it has got so much protein. Kabuli chana, it has got paneer, it has got millet, that is the 3 jawar roti, and then little curd, chana dal, and that ade mix, which also has got all the pulses. So it's a high protein diet. Just have this with curd and be done. You'll be so happy having this. Give it to your children for school. They will like it very much in their tiffin box. And don't tell them that you have put jawar atta and all that. This is one way, because bach jata hai, then you don't know what to do with it. I've turned the other side and allowing it to roast. So see, it's easy now to take it out. We'll wait for another 1 minute. तो देखो बन गया ये. इसका नाम आप भी बता सकते हैं कमेंट बॉक्स में, क्या नाम रख सकते हैं. मैंने रखा है मिलेट पनीर टिक्का या मिलेट पनीर चीला कह सकते हैं. So now we will serve this and you have it, and please comment and let me know how you like. Taste it at home and make one, and then. So here is our millet paneer tikka, tikki or chila, whatever name. In case you find any suitable name, please let me know. You can have it with sauce or even with curd. Thank you for watching my channel and joining with me making this tasty dish. Especially children will love it, and you call anybody for high tea, they will get healthy millet paneer tikka. So see you next time with another tasty dish. Bye till then.